Hey riders and electric adventure fans, welcome back. Today, we're talking about a machine that's changing the game in electric adventure touring. The 2025 Zero DSR/X Zero motorcycles has taken their EV expertise and blended it with rugged, long-distance capability to create an electric ADV that's ready for anything. Design, rugged, sleek, and adventure-ready. The 2025 Zero DSR/X is built to tackle both the open road and unpaved trails. It features a tall ADV stance, wide handlebars for control, and a comfortable upright riding position. The bike's bodywork is aerodynamic yet aggressive, with integrated storage solutions and weather-resistant components. LED headlights and taillights not only look sharp but also ensure visibility in all conditions. Performance, instant torque, limitless thrill. Powered by Zero's Z-Force 75-10X motor, the DSR/X delivers jaw-dropping performance with up to 100 horsepower and massive torque instantly available at a twist of the throttle. It can comfortably cruise at highway speeds or conquer steep trails with ease. The direct drive system means no shifting, just pure, seamless acceleration. Battery and range, go the distance. The DSR/X comes with a 17.3 kWh lithium-ion battery and the option for a power tank upgrade. Riders can expect up to 200 miles of range in the city or around 130 miles on the highway. DC fast charging capability means you can go from 0 to 95% in about an hour, making long-distance electric touring more practical than ever. Technology, smart riding experience. Zero has equipped the DSR/X with a full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, and customizable ride modes. The Bosch motorcycle stability control system provides cornering ABS, traction control, and off-road settings, giving you confidence in all terrains. The Cypher 3 Plus operating system allows over-the-air updates and feature unlocks, keeping your bike up to date. Handling and comfort, built for every terrain. With long travel suspension, a low center of gravity, and adventure spec tires, the DSR/X handles dirt roads and twisty mountain passes equally well. The seat is designed for all-day comfort, and the adjustable windscreen helps reduce fatigue on long rides. Conclusion: the future of adventure riding. The 2025 Zero DSR/X proves that electric bikes can be powerful, versatile, and ready for real adventures. With its blend of cutting-edge performance, range, and comfort, it's a serious contender for riders looking to go green without compromising excitement. That's all for today's review on Bike Review Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest two-wheelers.